Hey everyone, Trickisty here, and today I'll do a quick tutorial on how to create your own bot. So this might become a small series of videos, or I'll just get everything in one video in 15 minutes. So yeah, so let's get right to it. So I created a form in Coda. I pasted it in here, which looks like this. Pretty simple. You got your run and close button. Yeah. So first of all, we need a case, then the name. So start, and now we want to write the function. So let's create a login. So first of all, we want to create the passwords. For that, we'll do local, and now a number, or if you type in a number, you type it in like that. If you type in a word, you have to do it like that. If you want number and words, you can do it like that. Then and a number. Okay, so we'll just do numbers for now. So let's do 001. Okay, got the passwords. Pretty simple, but oh well. Next step, we want to create the login bar, input thingy, whatever it's called. So for that, new variable, password equals input box, title login, password, uh 230 120. Sure. Close the bracket. Now we're gonna create an if statement. So if password equals pv1 or password equals pv3 2 pw I mean, yeah, pv, whatever, or password was. Okay, so if the password equals this or this or this, then okay, so what this is now, it creates a message box. This is the code for if it has an OK button, cancel, retry. This is just OK button, and what it does on the top, it will kind of hard to explain. You'll see in a sec. Top text correct, so it will print the correct password on top. Want a space? Nope. Okay, so once we did that, now what is if you enter the wrong password? So for the if statement, we have to create an else statement. And I can't even type else right. Else. Oh. Forgot something. Do a quick sleep. And then it will go off to the next function, which we name bot. Don't forget the brackets. Else. Okay, so it creates a message box with a little orange flaggy thing. It prints whatever you typed into the input box. It says it's incorrect. This password is incorrect. There we go. And then it will just sleep and exit the program. Voila. Okay, so next case would be the close button. This is pretty easy. Don't forget the dollar, because I need dollars, what I need. Exit. Yeah. Ah yes, I forgot the end, the if statement. Did a typo here. This should actually be run. Okay, so if we now start, hit run, it will create this input box, the password, 002. This password is correct. And what this and password, it prints the password up here and says correct. The password is correct. Okay, done. Yeah, we haven't created the this function yet. We'll come to that later. Now, what if I enter the wrong password? 004. 004 incorrect. This password is incorrect. And it closes the program. Okay. So, what's next? Well, we'll create a function under the name bot, and let's just keep it simple. Let's create a mouse move, mouse click. So mouse move X and Y. For this, open your AutoIt window info, just like that, and click anywhere on your screen, and these will be the coordinates. Two ways you can do this. You can just go ahead and do 5, 7, 1, 2, 5, 3, and then the speed, sleep, then mouse click left. and then end func. Or you can create two, or if all this number jumble is, if you have longer scripts, all these numbers and everything, it's kinda a hassle. If you want to change a coordinate, you have to go back, search the exact movement thingy, and yeah, it's annoying. So go ahead and create a local. Okay, and then you just enter. Just like that, if you don't do a typo. And yeah, so once you have longer scripts, or you want to use this variable again, you just use it again. Yep, so let's go ahead and try it. Mouse moved and clicked. Okay, so now something very important. Before the while statement, add a hotkey. Escape. Which will equal close. Then down here, create a function under the name close and exit. Simple as that. So if you now open the script, yes, and func. So if you now open the script, run, password, mouse moves, you hit escape, it will close. Never forget that. Okay, so this is part 1. Hope you liked it. Comment, rate, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. More parts will come, so stay tuned.